Quanto cuesta esa turbina eólica? ¿Está disponible en algún otro color? Oh, hi. I'm Troy McClure. You might remember me from such Wind Energy Ireland promotional videos as the one where I used my hands far too much for emphasis, or the other one where I went up and down an escalator in Bilbao for some reason. I'm brushing up on my Spanish because it's only 3 weeks to WindEurope's annual event in Madrid, and I'm so excited and I'm so looking forward to it. I'm going to be part of the largest ever delegation of Irish industry leaders, government officials, state agencies, and we're going there with one message. Europe and Ireland cannot prosper if we are depending on an international gas market dominated by the likes of Vladimir Putin or is vulnerable to disruptions we're seeing due to the conflict in the Middle East. So come to the Irish stand. Come visit us at stand 10B90. Say hello and find out how our small island on the western edge of Europe is going to be at the heart of Europe's energy revolution.